Hey, beautiful people, welcome to episode 5 of Credit 101. So, in this episode, we're going to talk about how you can get your credit reports. There's so many ways you guys can get your credit reports and also determine what is your credit score. Now, I know I told you guys we're going to talk about those third party bureaus in this episode, but we're actually going to wait to episode 6 to talk about that. So, let's get right on into how you can actually get your credit reports. So, to get your credit reports, you guys, it's actually very simple for you to get it. Now, the first thing I want you guys to check out, the first company is Identity IQ. I usually tell people to check them out because they have a $1 7-day trial and you'll actually know your credit scores. And a lot of times you guys can go right to their website and check it out. And let's actually take a look at their website. So when you guys go and check out Identity IQ, you guys will see their website like this. This is what their website will look like. So you can come here to their website and you can get a copy of your credit reports and your scores. So they have 3 different options. Now, I actually have a special discount code that you all can be able to check out. And then this is what it'll look like when you guys actually use my link. My link should be down below in the description also. So you'll see that you'll have that $1 trial to check it out. And it will actually only be $21.99 if you decide you want to stay. But that is what Identity IQ will look like. And this is actually the plan here. So you get all 3 of your credit reports and scores. You'll have $1 million in reimbursement of stolen funds. Say if you guys were to have some type of fraudulent thing happen. And they'll let you know if anything is happening with your credit. They'll send you alerts. And the main thing is you want to know what's on your credit reports and know what your credit scores are. So that's one company that you guys can check out. Now, another company that you can check out is Aura. So Aura will actually give you a copy of your credit report. They'll let you look at your credit reports. Also, you can see what your credit score is. But this company right here, this one, they have a 14-day trial. And I want to tell you guys about these companies that have like discounted things because it's really good. It's really good for you guys to be able to get your credit reports without having to pay and even look at your credit scores. So I like this company, give you a 14-day free trial. And this company right here is big on protecting your credit, letting you know if you have anything that's going on. So it's really good for fraud protection. So definitely check this company out. I have this link down below for you guys also. Now you also can go to the main credit bureau. So the next credit bureau you guys can think about is Experian. So Experian, they will give you a copy of your credit report. So you guys can go directly to the website and check them out. And here is the Experian website. Remember, you have TransUnion, Equifax, and you have Experian. So you guys will be able to get your credit report for them and you can sign up for free. And also, they'll be able to give you updates only on your Experian credit report every day for free, okay? Only for your Experian. You can also place freezes, do disputes right through it, and say any type of fraud alerts. So definitely check them out. The next one is Equifax. So you guys can definitely check out Equifax. You can get a copy of your credit reports from Equifax. You can also freeze and unfreeze your credit reports right through their website. So you can see right here, they have a sign up now. So definitely check out Equifax. Again, you can do disputes through their website. And also they have access where you can actually buy a copy of your credit reports. So if that's something you want to do, you can go right through Equifax and buy copies of your credit reports right through Equifax. Now, the next one is TransUnion. So we want to check out TransUnion. So with TransUnion, you can freeze and lock TransUnion credit reports. Also, they have an option where you can buy credit reports right through them. They have that $1 million fraud protection, that theft insurance. So you guys can check that out also. You're going to see that with a lot of companies that they have that, but this is the TransUnion website. Now, I also tell people to go to Credit Karma. So I love Credit Karma because you can go to Credit Karma and get a copy of your credit reports. And you can look at them. When you're looking at your credit scores, understand your credit scores are going to be different on all these different websites. I cannot explain this enough. Your credit scores are going to be different. Your Credit Karma credit scores may be higher than when you try to go get a mortgage, but they'll give you your TransUnion credit score and also your Equifax credit score. So definitely check them out. And last but not least is annualcreditreport.com. Now I tell people this one last because when you guys are disputing your credit, say if you have bad things on your credit, you need to fix that. If you guys were to get your credit reports from annualcreditreport.com, you're giving them additional days to process your disputes. And usually if they don't respond to your disputes in about 30 days, then they have to delete those accounts. But if you come on here and get your credit reports, then you're giving them additional days to respond, which means they got more time to fix whatever the problem is. And we don't want to give them more time. But during COVID, they can say that they're saying that we're able to get our credit reports every week, and they're actually finished. They're continuing to do this. So you can request a free copy of your credit reports every week. Now, if you guys are planning to set up a lawsuit, you should get your credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. But you guys, I do suggest start off with one of the other companies, like start off with Identity IQ, see what your credit scores is. They got a $1 trial. Just try it out. See, you can cancel at any time. And then after you send out your disputes based off of what's on here, then you can go and send out more disputes based off of what you get from your annualcreditreports.com. But when you guys use annualcreditreports.com, they'll give you your credit reports right away. But when you guys do disputes, you should also get a copy of your credit reports right away. But I hope this information was very helpful and useful to you guys. Let's talk about those third-party bureaus. So let's get into episode 6 and talk about those third-party bureaus, because they're very, very important and they house different information for you.